LOC, LAC, IB, AGPL. Boundaries are so complex to understand. Whenever we listen to the news about India and Pakistan, we hear the term LOC. And now LAC is a lot in the news because of India-China face-off. Then there is IB and AGPL. So to understand all this, let's go straight to the video. India shares a little over 3,000 kilometers of border with Pakistan. This border is divided into three parts: IB, LOC, AGPL. First is the international border, IB. It stretches for about 2,400 kilometers from Gujarat to the north banks of Chenab in Akhnur in Jammu. The IB is a normal boundary line that is internationally agreed upon and is recognized between both countries. So, IB has mechanisms to guard the border against illegal trespassing. It regulates flow of trade and travel across the countries legally. It is guarded by BSF, Border Security Force, and has land custom stations and immigration checkposts to allow entry and exit of passengers and cargo. The administration of IB is the responsibility of Ministry of Home Affairs. We have IB not only with Pakistan but with other countries like Bangladesh, Myanmar, Bhutan, Nepal, etc. Now the second type of border we have with Pakistan is the line of control, LOC, which is about 750 kilometers long and runs from parts of Jammu to Leh. After the 1948 war, a ceasefire line had come into existence. But it is the ceasefire line that was agreed upon after the Indo-Pak War in 1971 that we call now as the LOC. It was delineated in the Shimla Agreement of 1972, whereby both sides agreed not to alter it unilaterally. But it is not a recognized international boundary, IB, though it is clearly demarcated by the militaries of both sides and has the international sanctity of a legal agreement. It is a lifeline with eyeball-to-eyeball deployment between both armies and has undergone changes over the years. The LOC had to undergo changes in 1984 when Pakistan attempted to take Siachen surreptitiously, and here we come to the third type of border, the AGPL, Operation Meghdood. When India came to know about Pakistan's claim on Siachen, it launched Operation Meghdood to seize control of Siachen Glacier. The line that divides India and Pakistan in the Siachen Glacier region is the actual ground position line, or the AGPL. It is a demarcation that divides the current position of India and Pakistani troops in the Siachen Glacier. It is about 110 kilometers long and extends from NJ 9842, which is the northernmost part of LOC and the base of Siachen Glacier, to Indra Kol in the north. LAC. LAC stands for Line of Actual Control. It is a boundary between China and India. LAC is divided into three regions: the western sector in Ladakh, the central sector in Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh, and the eastern sector which spans Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim. If you might have heard of the McMahon Line, let's clarify the difference between McMahon Line and LAC. Sir Henry McMahon, the then Foreign Secretary of the Government of British India, marked the boundary between Tibet and India. This line was a result of the Shimla Agreement of 1914, which took place between India, Tibet and the British. But China does not accept this agreement or the line. China was not present in this agreement treaty. After China occupied Tibet in 1950, China argued that it was not involved in the Shimla Agreement and therefore Shimla Agreement is not binding on it. Easternmost part of the present LAC is this McMahon Line. The term LAC emerged from the letters written by Chinese Prime Minister Zhou Enlai to Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. In 1993, India and China agreed an accord to reduce tensions between the borders and respect the LAC. This 1993 agreement created the LAC officially, which till then was a vague demarcation as the informal ceasefire line between India and China after the 1962 Sino-Indian War. But the agreement says nothing about where the line lies, and for India the line is about 3,500 kilometers long, and for China it is only about 2,000 kilometers long. India and China signed the agreement on the LAC without demarcation and delineation, be it on the maps or actual grounds for maintaining peace. The 1996 Confidence Building Agreement stated that neither side shall open fire within 2 kilometers from the line of actual control. The 2005 agreement stated that the two sides will resolve the boundary questions through peaceful and friendly consultation, and this was further affirmed by 2013 agreement. LAC is more of a concept. There is no clear-cut demarcation at the LAC, and that is why standoffs have taken place so many times. At certain sections, you have landmarks made of stones like this to mark the LAC for the ground troops to recognize it. I hope all of you understood the differences very well. Thanks for watching.